Hi everyone, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs, and today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble these new files that I have. And these are our holiday treat boxes. So what they are, I'll show you the little reindeer, is they have a little face, and then if you stand them up, there's a box that you can fill with treats or goodies or whatever. And then you can either set these on your table and use them as a place setting, or stick them in a bag and use them as a gift, or tie the treat in a bag and put it in the back. There's lots and lots of different uses for these. So this is the reindeer, or Rudolph. He's so cute. And our little snowman. And these really do go together really quick and easy. Oh, he's got a little sticker on him. So that's our snowman. Then we have Santa Claus, and he is actually holding a sign. There's not a printable or anything for this, so you can put whatever you want on it. If you're using it as a table setting, you can write someone's name. You could put a stamp, Merry Christmas, whatever, or you can omit that and not use that little sign. And then we have our penguin. I just love this penguin. I think he is so cute. And then today we are going to do the turkey. And I chose the turkey because it probably has the most layers of any of the files, but it does go together really quick and easy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and layer our turkey. And he also is holding a sign that you can write someone's name on there, or a little sentiment, or again, you can delete it. So our turkey has, the feathers have 3 pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and put some tape on those 3 pieces. Like I said, this is a really quick and easy project. So fun. You could even get your kids to help if you're making a bunch of these. And then our second feather, or third set of feathers. And you can do these feathers out of any color that you want. Okay, then we've got our little turkey, and he is actually in 2 layers. So we have the face, and we have the sign in the hands, and then we have just the turkey body. And if I were not in such a hurry, I would really ink this up and give it some shading and just make it super cute. But even without all of that, he's still pretty cute. So we're just going to put his body right in the middle, and so the body is on, or the bottom of the body is on the bottom of the turkey, of the feathers. Okay, so for his face, we're just going to layer everything, and I'll show you what we've got here. So it's probably easiest if you do the beak first. Well, I'm almost out of glue. Let's see if I can get through these videos. And the beak kind of hangs off the face a little bit. And then next we're going to do the whites of the eyes, and they actually slide under the beak just a little bit. So put some glue on there. Just going to kind of slide it right there. Same thing, just kind of barely slide it underneath the beak. And we're going to put the irises on. And you could cut these out of any color. I did mine in black. Actually, I think I did these in a dark brown. And depending on where you put them is the expression your little turkey is going to have. Okay, and then next we want to put the eyelids on. This just kind of makes him a little bit of a sleepy, dopey turkey, but I think it's really cute. And then last but not least is, whoops, let's get that on there, is the wattle. Excuse me, I'm going to put my face on with some pop dots. Just going to cut some of these. And you don't have to, you could just glue it directly onto your little body if you wanted to. I just like to give it some dimension here. Kind of match up the hair. Just glue him on there. And then you would stamp or write whatever you want on your little label, or you can leave that out. Excuse me. So for right now, I'm just going to leave it blank, and I'm actually going to put that on with a piece of foam as well. But you wouldn't have to. And it doesn't matter which way you flip this sign, as long as your words are upright, if you've already added your words to it. And then last, we're going to put his little feet on there. And it just kind of looks like he's holding the sign. So there is our turkey. He is so cute. I just love this turkey. Okay, now we have our box, and we're just going to fold all of those score lines down towards the table or away from me. And there's 2 sides that have tabs and 2 sides that do not. And then we're going to put tape on those 4 tabs. And then just fold them up to make a really crisp corner. Again, you could glue those or use your tape runner. Please don't use glue sticks. It surprises me how many people still insist that glue sticks are the best. And unless there's a miracle glue stick out there, I just haven't found one. So then, once you get your little box all put together, then we're just going to glue the front of our turkey to the front of the box. So I'm going to kind of lay him there and figure out where I need to put tape. And then you're just going to put it along the back there. You don't need to go clear across it, and you don't need to go clear to the top. Have that on there. Press it down. And there is your little turkey box. Wouldn't this be fun on your Thanksgiving dinner with some little candies, or even like a little bowl with some pudding or something in there? Anyway, such a fun little gift. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have enjoyed these little boxes. Send me a picture or a comment. Let me know how you're going to use all of these. Please hit subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of my videos. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me.